Everyone deserves a self-love, self-care time every once in a while, no matter who you are or what you do. So in today's video, I will share my self-care bougie, high maintenance, whatever you call it, routine. And I hope you can take out the time to treat yourself because you deserve it. Going to the spa is one of the things I absolutely enjoy doing once in a while, guys, because if you're somebody who is active, maybe you walk, you go to school, even just sitting, you notice sometimes your body can kind of get strained. Sometimes you can feel pains, on some areas of your body. So I love to go to a spa, for some body massage, guys. That's one place I always enjoy going to, for my body massage. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and get a full hour, like 1 hour body massage, and you can never go wrong with just taking out that time to do it yourself, or have a masseuse, or you go to a spa, you have a masseuse really treat your body, like massage you, get your body all the way right. Next up is, of course, my nail place. I love that time to just get my nails looking all the way right, guys, because I always say that it's been probably over a year since I did my nails. Of course, I do press on nails, the ones you just put on, maybe you use them and then you go ahead and take them off. But it's been probably over a year I went to a nail salon to get my nails done, guys, because of course you guys know I just had a baby, not just because Ace is already 10 months old, but because I was handling him, right? I wasn't able to kind of get my nails done. But of course, when it comes to my self-care, my self-time routine, guys, I absolutely love taking out that time to get to a nail salon and just have a professional get my nails looking right. And of course, guys, I absolutely love me some kind of neutral nails whenever I'm going to the salon to get my nails done. Like, there's just something about having a neutral nail that really makes you look so nice, and it just gives you that very sexy approach. And of course, I decided to add some designs on my nails. Getting a pedicure is also one of my self-love routine because it just helps a lot, especially when you have someone do it, guys. It just kind of keeps you and gets you in that relaxing mode, and you have someone just treat and take care of your feet. Oh my gosh, guys, when it comes to summer, of course, I love to go ahead and get my hair braided. Of course, don't mind me, guys. I'm very hungry in this clip, so I decided to get something to eat before then we go ahead and start braiding. And I decided to go with this color 27, because it's summer, and for summer, guys, I love just having that warmth, that color to myself, to my home, everywhere. So I was just thinking that using a black braiding hair to get my braids is definitely gonna be boring. So I decided to go ahead and use a color 27, which is this kind of gold, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. And you guys, I'm such a lover of braiding. Like, I'm so into braiding than actually weaves. It's just that sometimes you need to kind of let your hair breathe. You need to give your hair, a break. If not, I'm definitely gonna be braiding every single time, guys. But yeah, I went ahead and got some very nice simple braids, guys. But let me tell you, when it comes to braiding, it's not easy. Especially, I feel like when you go ahead and get like this type of like cornrows, right? It always hurts. It's crazy. And another thing with me is that my scalp is very, very delicate, so it kind of worsens it, but I absolutely love the way this hair came out. Skincare is my heart and my soul when it comes to my self-care time. I absolutely love taking out that time to just treat my skin, guys. Even though with everything I've done to my skin, I still have, you know, kind of a not so good skin. I don't like saying problematic because it's like you have to speak light, you know, even when you don't see the light. So I stopped calling my skin problematic. But yeah, I've if you followed my journey with acne, you know I've really had a run with acne. I believe I've had an acne prone skin for probably over 15 years now. I've tried a lot of things. I've seen a lot of dermatologists. I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on my skin, but you guys, I'm still struggling with it, even though I would say that ever since I had my last child, it's really, really improved. Like my skin is totally different from what it used to be. So of course, the first thing I love to go ahead and do is to kind of unclog my pores. I love to use this machine right here. I think I picked this up from Amazon sometime like 2-3 years ago for, I guess, $15 or $20, but it does such an amazing job with kind of opening up your pores, unclogging your pores. And once I'm done with that, sometimes I love to go ahead and use a mask. This is actually a clay mask, but it has kind of little particles inside it, which I absolutely love because at the same time you can use it to scrub your skin. So what I'm doing here is to go ahead and just use the mask, you know, just scrub it all over my skin, and then I usually just leave it for maybe 10-15 minutes to dry. But while I wait for it to dry, I just maybe get busy with my phone, or sometimes I can go cook, or sometimes I can decide to go watch a movie. It all depends, but you gotta just give that max, you know, the time to dry. And just I'm just taking my time, just maybe watching something on my phone or going on social media, just to make sure, you know, the mask is dry before then washing it out. Please kindly take a moment and hit that like button below if you're enjoying this video. And of course, once I was done with washing off my mask, the next thing is to go ahead and use this machine to you know, dabble on the areas where I have dark spots. This actually has been doing a great job for my skin, guys. I'm probably gonna do a separate video with this machine, kind of my skincare routine, so that, you know, I can go in depth. But this actually is amazing. It's I think it's an anti-aging machine, you know, for wrinkles and dark spots and all those things. So like I said, I'm still gonna share it in another video. This video is actually like my personal video. It's not sponsored, but yeah, guys, I went ahead and treated my skin, and the next thing is to go on ahead and apply my acne.org treatments. A lot of you have been asking me what I've been using recently. Like I said, I didn't really change much, you know, when it comes to my skincare routine. I still use my acne.org cleanser to cleanse my face, and then the treatments on my face. Who doesn't like that bling life, guys? Like, I love me some nice jewelry. So of course, you know, your girl had to, you know, come through with some blings. Like these right here are just heavenly. But yep, guys, that is it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And yep, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.